Alright, so to begin, plasma proteins, white blood cells, and red blood cells flow down from the afferent arteriole into the glomerulus. Once in the glomerulus, pressure results, which causes these white blood cells, plasma proteins, and red blood cells to flow out through the afferent arteriole. Also, as a result of all this pressure resulting, water, salts, ions, glucose and amino acids, and vitamins, and urea are able to pass through the glomerulus into the proximal tubule. From here, once in the proximal tubule, passing out actively are sodium, amino acids, and glucose, and also passing out passively are water, potassium, bicarbonate, and chlorate. From here, water, salts, and urea pass into the descending loop of Henle, where waters are secreted, which causes the osmolarity to increase. When they then pass into the ascending loop of Henle, where salts passively exit the loop, which then causes the osmolarity to decrease to a level of 100, which is still not normal compared to the 300. So, as a result, what has to happen is that once they pass into the distal tubule, hydrogens, potassiums, and urea pass into the distal tubule, which increases the osmolarity back to normal of 300. Once they pass through the distal tubule, they go to the collecting duct. A couple of scenarios can result, such as increased blood pressure, which causes the secretion of ADH, which then causes the epithelium to be more permeable to water, which thus decreases the blood osmolarity back to normal. Another scenario would be a decrease in blood pressure, which would be as a result of dehydration and blood loss. Here, renin is secreted, which causes aldosterone to be secreted, which thus increases the blood pressure as a result of the NAK pumps.